There is something here at S&C for everyone. I've been driving for S&C for 18 years, and I truly love what I do.
Here at S&C Electric Company, we manufacture the equipment that keeps the lights on for people and businesses around the world.
One thing about manufacturing I love is you're never bored, you're always learning something, and you're always improving something.
I have a lot of opportunity to learn more.
You can start at an entry-level position, and you can work your way up.
I'd say the most common misconception about working in manufacturing is that it is dirty and smelly and hot. That is not true at S&C.
It's peaceful. It helps me to get a better perspective of myself.
S&C's entire complex is air-conditioned, and we even have goals associated with keeping the company clean and safe.
I am just amazed at the growth that I have achieved since I've been here.
The training and everything they have available for the team to better themselves.
When I started this company, I started learn one machine, and now I run like 5 or 6 machines.
S&C offers tons of classes, from blueprint reading to problem solving, even technical skills. We got it all.
You're getting certifications at each step, and it's also making you make more money.
The opportunities they present, education reimbursement, a wonderful thing, and I experienced that, right? It's escalated my career.
You get all the tools you need to turn it into a long-term career that you really enjoy.
I feel that my work has a very big impact on a company.
It's really important that every human being to know that whatever they're doing, even if it doesn't seem like it's very important, in the long run, it is.
Knowing that I work for a company that can restore power quickly to areas that have experienced a devastating storm is really important to me, because you can see the result of our work.
We are employee-owned company.
What that does, it gets everybody involved.
It makes me work harder.
It enhances us as people.
You work together, you put your ideas together, and you get great output. And not only that, you see the difference.
Being able to give ideas, it lets us know that we can get the job done together.
We have a diverse group, very multicultural.
You get to encounter so many different walks of life.
S&C culture is unique.
I meet people with 25 years and over who've been, working for S&C. That says a lot about a company.
This company has been in business for over 100 years. That's amazing.
We work with machines, we work with parts, but still we're really nice to each other, and I can feel that this company is really thinking and taking care of its employees.
I really would recommend that people consider a job in manufacturing, because at S&C there really are opportunities for anyone.